Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE A53 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card and possibly SD card if there is a spot for it. So, to get started, we'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. From there, once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located... Oh no, it's a toolless tray. So we actually don't need this. Sorry for that. So right here on the bottom right corner, you have this, if I can get the light to shine correctly, you have this little cutout right here, as you can see, kind of dent. You can put your fingernail in here and just pry off the cover. There we go. Once you take it off, you will have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. So SIM cards right over here and SD card right over here. I'm gonna start with the SD card. You put it there with the chip side down, so like this, and just simply slide it in there. There we go. And then when it comes into the SIM card, same thing, chip downwards. Slide it all the way in, and that's it. Now let's see if it will automatically work. So it is detecting my SD card. So both cards should be working just fine without any kind of additional steps. Now you won't actually see my SIM card connect to anything because the SIM card is deactivated, so hence it won't connect to anything. But obviously if you insert a functional SIM card, it should connect without much of a problem, the same way that the SD card did. So with that being said, this is how you insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.